Hey, what's up everybody? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you live. Hopefully you're all doing really good. We are live. Let me turn this down just a little bit. There we go. Sorry about that. Oh, that controls that? That's actually pretty cool. Hold on for just a second. There we go. There we go. That should be pretty good. Anyways, good morning, everybody, or good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you live. Hopefully, you're all doing really good. We are live. Welcome to the stream. Oh, we got so much to do today. Let's get to it. Brew update as usual. So much to do, so little time. All right. There's my coffee. I was wondering where it went. Oh, I needed that. It's been a long day. It's been a long day. I wonder if it makes sense to... Right. That should be fine. Is that not working? Hold on. Okay, I was gonna say. Perfect. Okay, that's done. Clear. Alright, CD, projects, ls, CD, view, CD, view, to-do app, clear, code. There's our AI. Alright, so I think what we were going to do last time is we were going to PM. Oh, what's it called? It's PM, I can't remember. Hold on. How to start a Vue server. It is... what's command? Run dev. Is it? I thought it was, well, I'll tell you what it is. I can look in the package. Serve. There we go. That's what I was trying to remember. It's like, wait a minute. Okay. PNPM run serve. There we go. Build that server for me. There we go. Alright, so let's bring that over here. So this is what we had the other morning. Just a simple to-do list, nothing too crazy. And what we're gonna do is we need to break these components up into separate, or we need to break the code up into separate components, because right now all the code's sitting right inside of the app.vue file, which we definitely don't want. So I just got to figure out how to take this and then bust it up into different components. So I think what I said I was going to do was I was going to make a new file, which will be under source, and we're going to call this app.old.vue. Okay. And we're going to take this code and we're going to copy it and we're going to paste it right in here. Okay, cool. So now we have an old copy of it. And I'm just going to actually do .old. There we go. Or I'll just make it a txt. App.txt. There we go. Alright, perfect. So now we have our txt file. Perfect. So that's our backup code. So just in case something goes weirdly wrong, but it shouldn't, so we should be okay there. Let's see. Yeah, we should be fine in that area. Give me a second. Okay, perfect. All right, let's see. So we got that part down. I hope my alerts work today. Yesterday, like, Botrix was not working for some reason, but, well, no, there was a reason, because the site crashed. But, hopefully today all the alerts work and everything. That would be really cool. So, alright, let's see. So, I think what we're going to do... So if I look right here, I have my form, and then I have the actual LI elements. So what we could do... And then I have the actual, let's see. Okay, so I want to make we're going to go over here, and we're going to delete this. No, I'll keep that in there. I'll keep hello world. That's fine, just in case I need it. All right, so we're going to call this form.view, and then we need to make todos.view. Okay, so we have those two files created, and what we need to do is go over here, and I need to take this form code. Give me a skeleton for view file. Check this out. Oh, is it not gonna do it? Give me scaffold. I gotta get better at prompting. Give me scaffold. I definitely spelt that wrong. That's probably why. Format, spelling. Is it scaffoldton? Why can't I spell it? Alright. Give me a view file to work with. Oh, you gotta do in comments, that's right. No? Alright, well, that's okay. We'll just ask this. Can you give me a base template for a view component file, please? Oh my, is AI down today? Oh, I was just joking about that, but is it really down today? Oh no. Hold on, let me clear this conversation. We probably need something new. I need a view oh, wait a minute. I need code for a view component file using composition API. There we go, thank you. That's what I want. Save. Alright, perfect. State, count, export, default. I don't think we're doing export default. I think we gotta name it. What is this one called? App, I think. Default app. So for this one, we would do export default. We need to do name is to-dos. Save. Okay, cool. All right, and then we need the setup. So we just got to get rid of this. Let's see, const double computed. Get rid of that. Okay, perfect. And get rid of that for now. Okay, perfect. So there's our return. Our code will go in here. So the first thing that we want to do, we're in the form, right? So our template can go up here. Save. All right, perfect. Once we get this down the first time, the second file will be pretty easy. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to come in here and we're going to grab this form code. I'm going to pull that out, and then we're going to bring it over here. And we need to look for, so we're doing add to do. Let's see. So I'm coming down here. New add to do. Okay, definitely doing that one. Save. All right, and then we're coming down here to return. Save. Okay. What else are we pulling from here? Well, let's look over the code. Basically, we're adding. So reactive computer from Vue. We'll probably need these two. We might not need these two, but we might. Let's see. New to do. I don't think I need that in there. I know I need to. What did I pull from that? Add to do? I think I did. Add to do. Okay, so where's that function at? Right here. Save. Okay. Form. That comes up here. Save. Okay, so there's the add to do data. Okay. Reactive. To dos. Will it know what the to dos is though? I don't think it will. We'll probably need that data too. I think we're definitely gonna need these two things in there. I think to do. Possibly. Well, no, the new to do data. Let me make that other file really quickly. Okay, so we have template, script, and style. Okay, and then in here we have setup. Save. And then we have export default, name is to-dos. Save. Okay, and over here, this is form. Form, save. Okay, so I was wrong on that, but let's see. It doesn't seem to like that. Let's see, if new to do, push, return. Oh yeah, we need a return as well, don't we? Return. Return. Save, okay. Doesn't like setup for some reason. Why? Setup. It's probably there's a comma missing somewhere. Oh, no, it's right there. Oh, no, that's not it. Oh, that's because all this needs to be in that setup code. There we go. Oh, except return. Yeah, return's got to be on the outside. There we go. Okay. Now we're good. Return, save data. Right, because there's that to do. Oh, no, the return does need to be in there. Interesting, really. There we go. Well, it doesn't like that, though. Why? Why don't you like that? Hold on, let me copy this for a minute. Where's that end at? Down here? Or where's that end? Right here? To here? Copy. Just out of curiosity. Script. Huh. I wonder what the main issue there is. Add to do. I must have had like a comma or something messed up on there. But, alright, well that seems to be working now, which is good. Alright, that's good then. So now, let's see. Hey Bless, how's it going, dude? I saw you went live today, but I was at the gym. How's your day going though? All right, let's see. I'm trying to see here what the best way to go about this would be. Um, so the to-dos have to be in here, but how do the to-dos list out? You know what I'm wondering? I wonder if there needs to be a third component, because like this is the actual list of the array that's gonna go in here, right? I'm just trying to think of how the best way to split this up would be. You know what I mean? Let's see. Give me a second, guys. Excuse me. Sorry. Oh, whoops. Damn. That's okay. Give me a second. Let's see. Let's see. There we go. That's better. All right, let's see. Trying to think of the best way to go about doing this. Okay, give me a minute. I'll be right back, and then we'll get into this. I just gotta figure out how to break this up. I think I know what to do, but yeah, I'm trying to do it without using AI to do it, because AI will tell me how to do it, but if I use AI to tell me how to do it, then I'm not really learning it, if that makes sense. So, all right, I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Sorry about that. Just had to grab something. Okay, there. Get comfortable. Come on. All right. Let's see here. All right, I think I'm gonna have to use AI. I'm just, I don't know, I'm still new to learning coding, you know what I mean? So, or Vue at least. So, like, I get the concept of where to put things. I just don't know the best way to like break up a component, and then I gotta send that data over to another component. So that might be harder to do, but because we gotta use properties, and that might be a bit of a challenge. But I think I can do it. All right, so this is the to-do. So I think what we do is if we go in here, luckily we have our to-do. Okay, so we have our to-dos right here. See this right here, to-do list. So I'm going to grab this ULLI and we're going to cut it from the file. And we're going to bring it here. And we're going to put it in the template. Save. Okay, so there's the template. And done to do. Okay, so I know I need to grab that. Done to do. That's going to go here. Okay, and then I got to grab the function that I wrote. Save. Okay, that's got to go into the setup. So that's got to go here. Okay, perfect. And then new to do, default data. So new to do would be adding. To do's is going to be the list. So if we're altering done to do, then I think to do's, I think this needs to go in the to do's as well. And then I think remove to do's needs to go in there as well. Okay, and then I think the save data needs to go into the add to do. Okay. And then new to do would go in there as well. Save. Okay, cool. And I don't think we're actually going to need a return. All right, perfect. Okay, so save data. Save data, that will go into the forms one. Where's that at? Right here, save data. Beautiful. Let's see. Function remove to do. That one is going to go into here. Right there. Save. Okay, perfect. And then we need to-dos. Set up new to-do reference. Default data. We need that. So it's going to be at the tippy top of the setup. Wait, is that in the setup? Yeah, okay, cool. So it's inside of the setup. Setup, setup, setup. Save. Okay, so there's my to-do data. Add to-do. Where's the functions for the container? Okay, anything to do with the form, you can pull from here. Form. Style. Okay. Perfect. You know what I'm gonna do? Give me a second. I think we're gonna. Okay. Wouldn't it make sense to have the... Hold on. I think we're going to need a whole different component. I think we need to do data, and then we need a... Let's see. Yeah, because I think the way we're doing it's not going to work. I just don't see it working. Hold on, give me a second. Hold on, give me a second, guys. Trying to see. But if I have the to-do, I think I need... Yeah, I definitely think I need... But if I have the to-do... Shit, I'm hearing myself. Sorry. I think I'm gonna need a third file. I really do. I definitely think I'm gonna need a third file. Props. Delete. I think we're gonna need... there's to-dos, and then... I think we need to-dos and to-dos list. So I'm gonna rename this to to-dos list. Okay, there we go. And then down here, to-dos list. Okay, there we go. And then I need to make a new file, to-dos.vue. Okay. Template. Script. Okay, and we're not gonna need a style for that one, because it's just the data. Yeah. Hold on. Ooh, I got an idea. Hold on. Sorry. Script template. Alright, cool. Give me just a second, be right back.
Okay, now, from the beginning.
Alright, I'm back. Let's see, and then here I need my setup. Setup. Okay, so this is just the form itself, right? So, right. Probably would make more sense just code this out, probably. Hey, hippie, how's it going? Am I working as a dev right now? No, definitely not. Nah. I just live stream code. I don't actually, like, work for a company or anything like that. Just trying to figure out how to break this code up. What is the goal? Just for fun? Yeah, for right now. For right now, yeah. But I'm not having too much luck with this. I don't even know what the reference does. Do I even need that? See, I don't even know what I need from... I don't know how to break this up into... Alright, tell you what. I'm going to have AI help me. And then I'll learn from what it teaches me. Can you show me how to break up the following code into separated components using the composition API standard? There we go. There's my files. What is this via? What am I using? Do I have a command for it? Give me a second. Might have a command for it. Do I? Chatbot. Commands. Social. Oh, did I not create one? I thought I did. Hold on. I'll create. Give me just a second. I could have sworn I created one, but apparently I didn't. Alright, let me see if this works. Twitch. Did that not work? Really? Ugh. Alright, it didn't. Alright, sorry about that. I thought the command was gonna work. Dude, I will be so happy when Streamlabs has... Alright. Does it work here? Hold on, give me a second. So I typed it wrong. Yeah, see, it works there. So why doesn't it work on Twitch? Oh, I think I know why. Mod. Alright, let's try this again. Codium. No, don't want to work? Okay, that's cool. Yikes. Although, is it even... It's probably not even in here. Where's the, Here we go. Thought true. Huh. Guess it's not even in here. Yeah, I'm trying to find the bot that's supposed to be in here, but apparently it's on vacation. Where or when, I don't know. Like, hold on. Profile. Unlinked Twitch account. You cannot... Platforms cannot be unlinked from kick setting. What? Unlink. Sign in. I probably just need to refresh the API key. Okay. Oh, you know what I bet? I wonder if the chat commands are different for each platform. That would make sense. No, there's Codium right there. Alright, well, we shall try this again. See if it works. Do I need anything else? Timers, modules, chat alerts, good moderation, Alrighty. Let's try this again. I love doing things live. Isn't it fun? Dude, who built this website? Like, why would you put that there as a... Never mind. I'm not gonna ask questions anymore. Okay. Twitch. Is already a moderator. Okay, perfect. So, give me my command. Codium. I give up. Alright, it doesn't want to work. I don't know. I will be so happy when Streamlabs and Stream Elements gets API access. Like, it's insane. Hey, Skull, how's it going? That's a cool name, by the way. How's your day going? But that's so weird. The command works over at the other site just fine, but not on Twitch. I don't get it. It's weird. It's really strange. I don't get it. Do you have to, like, invite it? Don't forget to mod your chat. Okay, well, I've done that. Alright, let me turn it on. Don't forget. Confirm. Confirm. Yes. Alright, there we go. Is there a join command you have to give, like, Nightbot? Not that I know of. No, I don't think so. Because... Hold on, let me try this in Codium. Oh wow, it doesn't even work in YouTube. That's weird. It's like the chat box don't work. What am I trying to do? I'm trying to get one of my bots to work. I don't know why it's not. Alright, I'm gonna try one more time, then we're gonna move on. See, okay, there we go. That worked. There we go. I think what you have to do is shut it off and turn it back on. Okay, perfect. I don't know, it's just being weird. Alright, perfect. There we go. Finally it works. Alright. Oh my goodness. How am I? I'm doing pretty good. Skull, how you doing? Bless, how you been? How's your day going? Oh, no, it did work for, It did work for YouTube as well. Okay. Maybe the bot was just behind or something. I don't know. It's weird. I expect you do, given that bot's even in here. Yeah, well, that's what I thought too, but that seemed to work, which is good. So, how's everyone doing today, by the way? Hopefully good. Alright. Let's see. Close that window. You're doing good? Good to hear, good to hear. Just trying to figure out how to break up this code for my project here. Alright, so I had a TXT file that had my original code, and it's saying that this is a simple Vue 3 application that implements a to-do list. Here's how I would break it into separate components using the composition API. Alright, so we have a to-do form. Okay. And then there's new to-do, vModel, new to-do, add, reference, default, properties, to-do form, properties, function, string. Okay. Add to-do. There's the CSS. Yeah, but isn't... Let's see. But I don't see the setup in there. And then... Okay, there's a setup right here for this one. You know what I wonder? Maybe we should just redo the whole project. Because... Yeah. Maybe we should do that. Hold on, let me... Let's see. Yeah, let me do that. All right, so I'm gonna go here. Oh god, copy, paste, save. Okay, so if I just save that, there's our to-do, and it works, so. So this is what we need to do, but I gotta try to figure out how to break this up into components. And the problem is, too, because I followed a tutorial, I didn't actually learn what I was doing, you know what I mean? So I think maybe the best thing to do is, this is a good reference, but we would definitely want to, like, actually code it out. You know what I mean? So why don't we do that? Why don't we close this for right now? Give me a second. Okay, cool. And I'll back out of this file. How do you rename something? Is it RM? No, that's remove. It's MV, right? Or is that to move something? Or no, it does rename it. So if we do Vue to-do app, and I call it Vue to-do app 1. There we go. That worked. Perfect. All right, so let me go Vue create at, how do you do it? Create a new Vue project. Vue create to-do list. TypeScript, progressive. I don't think we need that. We don't need that. Don't need that. Linter E2. Babel. And dedicate config files, I think. We're learning. Slowly, but we're learning. I bet every person that does Vue right now is screaming at the monitor, like, why? Yeah. Oh, you've been streaming Fortnite, Bless? Good, good to hear. It sucks the Rumble chat doesn't go into, Restream. If I was using that. Alright, so, yeah. Okay, good, it's done. Then it would be good because I could actually see you type. CD to-do list. Alright, pnpm install. Okay, cool. And then we're gonna do pnpm run serve. Okay, I think we're good. Do I have another file open? I do. Alright, I'm gonna close out of that. And then we're gonna open up this new one. Alright, so here's our file. Okay, we're gonna close out of that. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? Code. Okay, there we go. And then we're gonna sit here and we need to do pnpm run serve. Alright, cool. That's done, and that should work again. Beautiful. Alright. So now what I need to do is think about this logically. So, let's think this over, okay? So we're doing a simple to-do list, right? And we're utilizing components instead of we don't want to put it all in one file. So let me go over here. We're going to open this up. And then the first thing we're going to do is get rid of this and this. And then import hello world from components. I'm actually going to comment that out so I can see how it works. We'll leave that alone. Components. We're going to copy that out for now. And then I'm going to get rid of this right here. Okay, cool. Save. Perfect. And then assets. I think this is where you actually put like the base. So I'm going to do base CSS. All right, perfect. And then we have this. Before, comma, after. All right, cool. And then we're doing box slash sizing. Border box, save. And then we're doing body. Background is this. Font. Oops. Font dash family. Save. All right, perfect. Font dash size 16 pixels. Margin 0. Padding 0. Save. Okay, we're good. You would. All right, perfect. Oh man. All right, then we got to go into the main JS, and then I'm gonna put that right here. And we're gonna go import assets base save. Where'd the window go? Okay, and then I'm going to come over to here, and we're just going to keep it simple. Alright, And to make sure that this base CSS works, I'm going to go H1, and we'll go color is purple. Save. There we go. Okay, so we know the base works. Beautiful. All right, so let me get rid of that. Awesome. All right, and then we'll do this. To do view to do list. Save. Okay. Perfect. And then script. And then we need a setup in here. We could probably. I wonder if we can do the setup after the. Yeah, we probably could, right? So we do our setup right here. Save. All right, perfect. And let's see. There's that. Although we probably don't need the setup. But we might, though. We might. I don't think so, because I don't think we're doing anything in this main file. Okay, so I know I need two things. I need my components folder, right? And then in here, I need the form. So we'll do to do form.view. Okay, and then I know I need the actual items themselves. So we'll do to-dos item to-dos. We'll just call it to-dos.view. And then I need to list them out. I need to pull that data. So to-dos list.view. Okay, perfect. So there's my 1, 2, 3 major files. This one, we're going to get rid of it. Don't need it. Go away. All right, perfect. And let's see. What else do we not need? Is there any other junk in here? No. Okay, cool. So what we need to do is we need to... let's see. We need to figure out the best way to go about this. So, well, let me build out the form first, because that's obviously pretty easy. So we got template. All right, and then down here will be script. Perfect, and I know I need a style, so we can build all that out. Style. Perfect. Okay, so up here we're going to start off with the form. So we'll do form. We won't even worry about any code yet. We got to do input of text. Okay, we'll probably do a name equals to do. Okay, and then that should be good for right now. And then we need a label above. Label for to do. Beautiful. And then we'll put that ID on there for to do. Save. All right, beautiful. Okay, and then what I need to do is down here, I need to do export default, name to do form, save. Okay, so let's just pull that in first, see if we get that in here. So I'm going to come over here and we're going to go import to do form from, and then components. To do form, save. Okay, there we go. We'll worry about that later. And then in here, we're going to go to do form, save. Alrighty, now I should be able to put it in the template. Okay, so right here, I should be able to go to do form, save. And in theory, there we go. Perfect, we see a form. Beautiful. So we were able to import that component. That's a good start. Okay, so we're going to go here, and then we need a input, and we need a button. Button type is of submit. Okay, perfect. And then in here, it's add to do. Not T-body. Add to do. Okay, perfect. And then looks good, looks good. Okay, perfect. Then what we need to do is we can go form, and then, okay, so right here we can do this. We can go, let me just put a class on it. That way it's done. Class is to do dash form, save. All right, so to do dash form display flex. There we go. All right, perfect. Yeah, we get it. Okay, there we go. Maybe not the align center. We probably don't need that. All right, perfect. So we got that done. There we go. Perfect. But we need a main container. So we're going to come over to app. And we're going to come over here and say container, display flex, column. We don't need any of that. We just need a margin 0 auto. We need a max dash width of 1200 px save. Okay, perfect. And we'll put all that right in this container. So we go div, class, container, div. Okay, perfect. And then we'll go like that. And then we're going to take these two things, pull them out, put them in there. Beautiful. I do not think that worked, though. Container, save. Well, that should have worked, but... Oh, it did work. Okay, sorry. Well, you know what I probably need to do is, let me bring this down. And what we'll do is we will add a padding of 0.20px. There we go. Perfect. Okay, we got that. Awesome. And the music stopped. Give me a second. Where are we at here? Oh, yeah. Perfect. All right. We're getting there. We're getting there. Okay, let's see. Now what I need to do is make that button not look so weird. Let's see. Style. Back to the form. To do dash form button. Max dash width will be at 50%. Save. Okay, I can work with that. Padding 1.5 M0 save. All right, there we go. Looks pretty good. And then we're gonna add some margin. Actually, I don't know if this will work. I'm gonna try gap 1M. Oh, cool. There we go. See, that looks nice. All right, perfect. So we got the gap in there, and then of course we want to do to do dash form, and then it knows I'm gonna want an input padding of 0.5 M. All right, there we go. Maybe we could actually put 1.125 on there. That should look pretty good. All right, and then we're gonna do borders none. Well, I should have some kind of border, so we'll do border RGBA. Save. Okay. I don't think it works like that with the... Hold on. 255. Wait, isn't that white? Yeah, that's not gonna work. Is it? It's 0000, comma 04, right? Oh boy, what did we do? Okay. RGBA 0, comma 0, comma 0, comma 0.4. Oh, I forgot the solid part. Whoops. Okay, there we go. Beautiful. Perfect. Herb. Alright, there we go. Looks better. Alright, perfect. That should be fine. Alright, and then we probably want... There we go. Should be good enough. Alright, and then we want to go over to here. And then we'll tweak that button a little bit. We'll go to do-form button hover. Well, we don't need a cursor pointer. We're going to do to do-form button. Alright. So the first thing we want to do is go font-size. We'll crank that up just a little bit to 1.125 rem. Save. Alright, there we go. Okay, and then I'll probably do padding. We'll do 1.15. We'll do 1.15 rem, 0. We could probably make it a tiny bit longer here. Well, maybe rem, maybe m. Oh my. Oh, actually, I don't think it matters because it's going to go on percentage instead. So we'll do width. Max dash width of 45%. Save. There we go. I should probably drop that down to 35. Perfect. Drop that down to 1. There we go. Nice. All right. And then on the hover, color, background. Oh, background. Okay. Oh, that wouldn't work. Save. There we go. That's better. Okay, we're getting there, folks. We're getting there, guys. Alright, so we have that much done. It's pretty good. It's a big-ass button, but that's okay. I'm not the best designer in the world, so... Actually, at all, period. But I try. Alright, let's see... That's a pretty good song. I like this one. Alright, give me just a minute. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Sorry about that. Alright, let's see. I feel like there's something I'm not doing right. There's probably a lot of things I'm not doing right. Alright, I think that's good right now, right? Yeah. Well, except that. Although, should that be had to do? Enter. There we go. Alright. So that's the form itself. We're not going to write any JavaScript just yet for it. Alright, so then we have to-dos, which is the data. So that one we don't even need a template. We're just going to do a script for. I think you can do that. I don't think you need a template, right? Alright, and then we have export default, name to-dos, and save, and then we want to do... Does it gotta go above or below it? I can't remember. I think it's above it, right? Shit. Where's the setup go? Oh, it goes outside of any component. Name, component, setup. Okay, so the setup goes under... So it goes inside. Okay, that's all I need to know. Let's see, export default. Okay, and then in here we gotta do setup. Save. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Okay. Let's see. So, to do form. Alright, so we're gonna need that there. And then I need to borrow this. Copy. Go over here. Okay, we got set up in here too. Perfect. Okay. Then we have the to-do list itself, which we will need a template. So I'm going to write that out. Template. Perfect. And then we're going to need a script. Okay. I don't think I'm going to need CSS for this. So I'm just going to do setup. No, we need to-do list. Beautiful. Save. All right, there we go. All right, and then this can be the list. It's actually, since we're in the components file, we should not need to do that. We just do to-dos. All right, there we go. And then we're gonna go. How's that gonna work with the loop, I wonder? Well, we gotta do a v-for. I just gotta figure out how it's gonna work. Actually, let me hold off on this one really quickly. Okay, let's go back to the actual data, which is the to-dos data. All right, so we know we need to do an array. Do I do this above or below? Oh, no, we go in the setup. So, okay. So we're doing our setup. Didn't I add a setup in here? I could have sworn I did. All right, so we have a basic to-dos structure. So we want to do an array. So I'm going to go default data, or default to-dos equals, and then we have an array object. Okay, and that's it. Perfect. Okay. And then we need to do, so that's the default data. And then we would do, so what's in that object? That object should have an, I wouldn't have a key because we'll generate the key. It's gonna have an ID. Well, the key will come from the ID itself. That's auto-generated. Let's see. We need a name. Name. To do. And then completed is false. Save. Cool. Alright, default to-dos. Now, we need to do function add to do. Okay, perfect. Alright, so this is the actual data that controls. So this actually controls the data. So, I'm trying to think. So this is the file that controls the actual data. So, let's see. We're gonna add. We're gonna add, and then we can remove. Can remove? I think so. Yeah. Function remove to do. We're not editing. I think that's it. I think it would just be add and remove, right? Or what if we wanted to complete it but not remove it? Function complete to do. Or toggle to do. Yeah, that makes more sense. Okay, so there's our three functions that I know we're gonna need. Adding an item, toggling it, and then removing it. Okay. So, let's figure this out. We need to figure out how to do this. Alright, let's see. Okay, so that's done. Let's go over to list here. So I know the first thing I need to do is grab those to-dos. So let's do that. Okay, well, first let's go back to the main file. Sorry, I'm all over the place here. We're actually going to import. So we're going to go import to-dos from to-dos list from components to-dos list. Save. And then we're going to add that here. Save. And then that's going to go underneath the form. So we're going to do an H2 and we're going to say to-dos list. And then I'm going to go to-dos list. Save. Okay. So we should get back nothing. Okay, perfect. But what we want to do is return to-dos. So where's that return going to go? I think it goes inside of the setup. I'm pretty sure, right? Return. I think. Default to-dos. No, I don't think that worked. Maybe it goes on the outside. No, it doesn't. Save. Okay. To-dos list. Default to-dos. Then we go into list. And we come here and we go import to-dos from to-dos. Save. Okay, and then we have setup, components, and then to-dos. Save. Okay, so that is going up here. Okay, so we have our UL, LI, and we're doing it on the UL, or no. V-4 to do in to-dos. Okay. And then we're doing to-dos dot name. Save. Is it double or is it just one? Let's see. This is the part where I'm not too sure. It's to do. Oh, not to do. You're right. To do. Thank you. But I can't remember if it's just one squiggly or two. No, it's definitely two. Okay, to do dot name. Let's see. But we're sending out default to dos. Oh, here's what we want to go. We want to go const, or sorry, not const. Let to do equal, and then I want to do a tenary. How would I do a tenary on this one? I think it would be like this, right? No, it's not. I'm trying to think of how to do it, so, there we go. Oh, I got an idea. Oh, I forgot to do, there we go. Or, actually, that can be a blank array. Okay. So, I'm saying that to-dos... I'm trying to think of the best way to code this out. Because I want to say if there's no to-dos, so let, or user to-dos... How do you do a tenary? How to do a tenary in Vue component. Tenary operator. Data name. No. I need new. Using composition API. Hold on, show me how to do it. Oh god, I'll just ask AI. Dude, it's crazy, but AI is... Hey, Technical Hedgehog, how's it going? Let's do it. Thank you. Let's see, ternary operator view components computed. Is true. Const message computed. It's false. Oh, here it is, right here. Colon. This is false. Oh, okay, so it's just like the thing. Add to do. But I don't... Let to-dos equal... Const message... I don't think we need to do that. I think we can just say... Let to-dos equal... And then I can say... user to-dos is... Would it be less than 0? Like less than or equal to 0. Save. Would that work? I think. And then now just export to-dos. Save. Why is it giving me an error? Why? Why isn't it like it? Let is reserved word in strict mode unless... What? What do you mean let is? Alright, whatever. Const. Save. Why do I have these right here? Hold on. I obviously don't know how to do JavaScript. Give me a second. Alright, there we go. Yikes. It's exactly like the JS scenario. Oh, is it? Users dot... Oh, yeah, that would make sense. Dot length. Good call. And also, I don't think you want... Yeah, I did see that there. Alright. So... I'm still not getting any data back. Maybe I did this wrong. And you want 0. Oh, okay. That's probably why. It's less than 0. But it's still not return to-dos. Okay, there's to-dos. To-dos list. We're importing. There's my component. To-do. Oh, well, first off, to-dos right here. There we go. So that should definitely be capitalized, right? Or no, maybe not. Maybe replace the const with let's. Yeah, let me do that. Let save. Okay, let's see. I think I'm still doing something wrong. There's a return of to-dos. And let's see. Here's the actual list. V4 to-do in to-dos because we're importing to-dos. So shouldn't that... Unless I'm forgetting something. Let's see. What do you think I'm probably forgetting something. Are you exporting to-dos with T or... Oh, you know what? You're right. Capital T. Yep. Oh, but I would need to... Am I returning to-dos with the capital? No. Or am I? There's to-dos. To-dos list. To-dos. Dot view. Do you think I need the full path? Do you think that might be it? Well, what happens if I remove this? Will I get an error? I will. Okay, so the full path doesn't matter. Let's see. We're definitely not rendering correctly. Let's see. I'm sure the answer is so simple. It's probably like right in front of my face. So hungry. Can you log the to-dos and see where... let's see. Are you importing the to-do list? I am, but maybe it's not working. Let's see. Let me go to to-do list. Into app. Let me see. Yeah, okay. So first, let me check the to-dos. Okay. Where do I put that? Does it matter where I put that, or does it have to be inside of the script here? All right, let me console log this. So if I go console.log and I say to-dos, what are we getting back? Let's see. Inspect. Let's try this again. Okay. Console. Warning. To-dos was accessed during render, but is not defined in instance. Oh, well, would it be to-dos.name, right? I think. Maybe? No. I'm doing this wrong. Don't we need a loop through that array? Well, no. To-dos would... We don't need that. To-dos. So we're doing it wrong then, right? Let's see. What about default to-dos? What do I get back with that? See if I get anything. Nothing. Oh, but look at this. To-dos was accessed during render, but is not defined at instance. Interesting. Okay, hold on. Let me... Actually, do you need to put the script before the template? No. No. Let's see. To-dos, to-do list. Import setup to-do. Wait, where did it say the error was again? To-dos list app. To-dos list. There's the to-dos list right there. I'm pulling that right. To-do form. So the form and the list are coming in. So something in the list that it doesn't like. Let me tell you what. For right now, let me comment out this and this. No, not that. Oh, yeah. No, dude, come on, bruh. Pay attention, man. Damn. Oh my goodness. Alright. Literally doing the same thing over and over again. Alright. Failed to do component to-do list. Okay. So, I've commented that out. So, what do you mean to-do list? Component shouldn't be a string. Component shouldn't be a string in to-do list. What do you mean? Shouldn't be a string. I don't think I know what you mean. I'm sorry. Sorry, I thought it was... Oh, okay. Alright, I was like... But failed to resolve component to-do list. Okay, well, don't even worry about it. Okay, hold on. Tell you what. Let me remove these... Let me remove these two things. No, well, I can comment that out. Wait, I did comment it out, so they shouldn't even be an issue right now. Okay, that's not an issue. I think somewhere along here is the issue. Because you commented it out. Right, but why am I even getting the message here on the thing? Fail to resolve component to-do list is a native custom element. Make sure you exclude it from component via the What? line 6. Right here? Oh, no. I know what you're talking about. Line 6. Where are you seeing this? There's that. Oh, it's an app? Oh, I didn't even see that. Ah, good call. My bad. I didn't see that. Good call. Save. Alright. There we go. Okay. So, we're not getting anything from that console log at all. But I got a feeling that's not going to work anyways. What if I just did to do save? Yeah, see, we're not even getting a message. So it's not even hitting the front end. So I think that's our issue. Alright. Why do I keep going back in there? Stop it. Get help. Bro. Come on. Oh my goodness. Why do I do this to myself? Alright, to-do list. Save. Alright, let's just think this over. Hold on. It's probably something really simple. Well, did you comment the to-do? I did, but... Okay. So, form comes in fine. To-do list. So, something in to-do list it definitely doesn't like. And it's probably this to-dos component. I bet it doesn't like that. I bet if I comment that out, it might work. Save. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Definitely something up there. Yeah, see? Now it works. Alright, save. But, we're gonna have capital T. Alright. To do dot name li key. Is it to do dot id? Okay. Perfect. Need to pass the prop to do. Oh, that's right. You're right. Like that, right? Oh, yeah. There we go. And then I can just use... we probably don't want that. To do item. Save. And then to do item. Probably like that, right? I think. To-dos in to-do. Rather, to-do. Oh, do I just name this to-do? And then just do to-dos and to-dos? Like that? Is that what you mean? Let's see. To-do. Import to-dos. There's my component. There's my... Hey, thank you for the follow, Hacker Nav. Appreciate it. Did that show it twice? It did. Oh my goodness. Bot tricks. The gift that keeps on giving. Bot tricks. The gift that keeps on back giving. At the chat twice now. Alright. So, but thank you for the follow. I do appreciate it. Go back to the to-dos.view. So, but thank you for the follow. I do appreciate it. Go back to the... Oh god, I just heard myself talk. No problem. Nice. How's your night going? I think... Let's see... So this is the default export. Name to-dos. Completed as false. Then we have user to-dos, but we're not even like... Unless this right here... might be the problem. I don't use the options API, but maybe don't pass anything into the setup function, and also return something in the setup function. Option API is pretty dead. Yeah, for sure. What happens if you just return the to-dos without the braces? Yeah, don't we want to be returning the to-dos? Also, you got your names mucked up. Oh, do I? Oh, wait a minute. Isn't that what we're returning? So do we want, like... Oh, you know what we could do? Let's just call it new to-dos. How about that? That way it makes more sense. Because maybe it's a lot of to-dos and... Yeah. How about that? Or, yeah, we could just call it to-do list. Okay, that works. To-do... Well, it's already called to-do list, so we probably don't want to be doing that. I'm just going to call it new to-dos. That's fine. Okay, cool. There we go. So we have default to-dos, user to-dos, and then this will be the new to-dos. Alright, perfect. So, let's see. But without braces, what happens if you just return to-dos without the braces? Do you mean here? Like right here? I think is that what you're saying? Yeah, you can do that. Alright, try returning without the braces and the to-dos. Okay. And then, alright, so we've done the return. But we're not getting anything in that console log. Alright, let's see. As I said, you mucked up. Okay, what names are we talking about? I'm sorry, I'm a little confused here. What do you mean? I do apologize. I don't know what you mean. So, go back to to-do list.view. Okay. Import to-dos, right? From to-dos, right, yeah. And then name to-do list, right? Components is to-do. Yeah. Oh, doesn't have, that's gotta have the capital T, right? There is no to-dos. Okay. Okay, you mean this right here. Right? We're importing the to-dos property, right? Now loop the to-do in new to-dos? Wait, why would it be new to-dos? Maybe this is why I'm a little confused. Sorry. Okay, so isn't to-dos the new to-dos, or this? I guess maybe I don't understand properties. That's maybe the issue. Didn't you rename the return to-dos? Did I? Return. No, I called it new to-dos, yeah. But isn't the name of the component? Hold on. Isn't the name of the component? Oh, you know what? No. You know what it is? Because I'm mixing it up with the component name. That's why. I'm mixing it up with the name of the component. I'm thinking it needs to be called the name of the component. Yeah. And that should be the same as well, right? The property name, new to do, like that. Or no. Oh, you don't know Vue at all? Oh, okay, well then. Alright, never mind. Props are passed in by the props. Oh, it's actually called props. Oh, okay, gotcha. There we go, that makes sense. Okay, new to-dos, not new to-do. Alright, hold on. Okay, now that makes sense. I thought the name of the prop had to be the... Okay, maybe that's where I was getting confused. Okay, new to-dos. Right, okay. And then... to-do list. To-do and new to-dos. Props. And the component's called the same. Okay, so that looks good, right? But we're still not getting anything listing out, nor are we getting anything in our console log, so... let's see... Wonder... Go back to the code. Shouldn't you import new to-dos? Oh, you're right. Yeah. Like that, right? And then, is the component itself called new to-dos, I think? Oh no, it doesn't like that. It doesn't like that at all. It's very angry. New to... Alright, let's see. Not really. Don't... Right. Oh, so wait, okay, hold on here. So we're doing to-dos, because that's what we're pulling in, right? Okay. So it would be... Would it be... Okay, how do you grab... Hold on. How do I grab the properties of the component I imported? To grab the properties from the components you imported, you can access them using the dot notation. For example, if you imported a component called myComponent, let's see here, property name. Let's see. What is it? Where do you bind the props to the to-do list? The component you import to-dos is the name of the file, right? The name of the data is whatever you return from the component or whatever you define as props to pass them from the parent to the child. Quick question. Why are the to-dos in Vue component? Can't they just be an object or JSON? I don't know. That's the problem. I don't think I know. Maybe they can be. Huh. Well, So, all right, give me a second, guys. What is this elevation? All right, there we go. Let's see. These are good questions, though. The new to-dos in this file are only available to this component. Right. So, let's see. If you want to pass them to-do lists, do it by props. Okay, so we have new to-dos. Well, isn't that the property, right? No. Okay, so would it be to-dos dot new to-dos? You know what I mean? Like to-dos dot new to-dos, like that? Or is that not the way to do it? Or is it props dot new to-dos? No, new to-dos where you return it is essentially just a local variable. Okay. So to-do list, to-dos equals new list. Something like that somewhere. Okay, but how would you loop through that? You know what I mean? Or would new list... Because isn't that going to render it on the page? Right? Wouldn't that be a problem? Or would that need to be in the other file? Shouldn't you return data? No, I don't think so. Hold on, maybe. Fuck, man, I should. I don't know. Oh, God, these frameworks are killing me. Oh, man. Let me take a look. Maybe, hey, how's it going, Fallen? Maybe some people have had a point where you should just stick with vanilla JavaScript and call it a day. But, no, yeah, right, that would take forever to code things. Oh, my goodness. Alright, give me a second, guys. Let me take a look. Projects, Vue, to-do list app 1. I just gotta look at a file really quickly. Oh, where are you at? Source. There we go. App.txt. Bam. Let's see. What do we got? Setup. Yeah, I don't see anything called data, so no. Let's see here. I think you just got a bit mucked up with the concepts. That could be it. Okay, give me a minute. I'm gonna write this. Please stop me if I'm wrong. No, you're fine. You're fine. I don't really know what I'm doing in Vue. I'll be very honest. That's probably what it is. App.view is usually just holding the page in a simple app for the components. The components themselves should... Hey, thank you for the follow there. I don't know how to pronounce that, but thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. I wonder why it's doing it twice, though. It's strange. Oh, it's on Twitch. Oh, that's why. Well, thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. I'm all over the damn place, folks. 2 different bots. Oh, were they bots? No, oh, my bots. Yeah, that's what I mean. Sorry. I was like, no, I don't think they're bots. Hydrate, yes. Coffee, yes. Here it is. Try next.js. Oh, God. There we go. Alright, tell you what, give me a second. I'll be right back. We're gonna figure this out. Read my last message, okay, I'll be right back and then I'll read it. I probably missed it. Sorry. I'll be right back. But we are gonna solve this. Well, so what's... Hold on, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Let's see. He's doing tutorials on Vue mastery site. Actually, I've already completed that. I'm just doing it from my brain, which is why it's not working. You'd be far off learning the new normal way of doing Vue. Isn't the composition AI the new way? Or is there a new way? Is this not the composition? I thought it was. Isn't setup composition? Who told me to read a message, by the way? The reason you're learning... Wait, am I using the options? Wait, hold on. Okay, I was gonna say, yeah. Okay. I was like, wait a minute, I am using the compositions API. Okay, good. Don't scare me like that, guys. Because seriously, I thought I was going back to the... No, because the options would have been if I had used the data and then the... Yeah, right. Excuse me. All right. Yeah, let's see. All right, let's think this over. All right, let's think this over. Oh God, I'm hearing myself talk. Let's not do that again. All right, so, okay. Let's just here. Let me remove this code. By the way, the hell was that? Okay, so we have our setup, right? And then, so we're exporting our to-dos, and we have our default to-dos. And then we have our user to-dos, which is empty. And then our new to-dos. And we're saying, hey, if the new to-dos dot length is empty, then give me the default to-dos. So, and then we return the new to-dos. Okay. So, I should be able to console log that, right? Or app.view is usually just holding a page simple app for the components themselves. Shouldn't render the data inside of them. As much as possible rather than passing data. Right, and I'm pretty sure yeah, and I'm doing that right here. So there's the form, and then here's the list itself right here. So that part should be okay right here. We don't need that. And we don't need that either. Actually, I gotta delete those. Okay, so this part's good. Then the list. Let's see. I think it's just this part that's having the problem. You never use the to-dos as a component, so it doesn't work. Oh, my bad. I thought I was looking at your app file earlier. Oh, okay. That's why you don't ever see the console log. Gotcha. So it shouldn't be a component. It should just be a JS file. Is that what you're saying? Like a normal JS file? Because there is no... Right. Well... Okay. So... Do I just rename it? Well, can I keep it .view, or does it need to have that? Or would it just be a JS file then at that point? Okay. So how about I just do this? How about I just rename it as a JS file like this, right? And then inside of there, I do this. Save. How about that? Does that work? At the top... Well, no, wait a minute. I'm going to need it to be a component, though, because I need to alter the data. That's the problem. How am I supposed to alter the data if I can't get the properties from it? Later, you can use something like... At the topmost level, you can make your list, then pass it to all the components via props. Right. Okay, so I can do that. Well, that's what I'm trying to figure out how to do. Yeah. At the top level, you can make your list. So... Should I... I'm sorry, I'm just so confused. Do I want the data to be in a JS file or a Vue file? Like, I guess that's maybe the first thing we need to figure out. Or, you know what I mean? Like, I guess it would just be a JS file, right? And then I can... But it wouldn't even need a return at this point. It would just be... Right? Oh, no, I guess it could have a... So confusing. Okay, so now we would be importing new to-dos like that, and it wouldn't be a component anymore, or any props. How about that? Learning Vue. Oh, I'm trying, man. I'm trying. But I don't think I'm doing this right. Oh man. See, I built this earlier out in just the app file and it worked great. You know what I mean? It was working perfect. But then I was like, "Oh, I'm going to make components," and that's when everything went to hell. In a handbasket. So now what we could probably just do is just have the data inside the to-dos list. You know what I mean? That would probably make more sense. You could always install Nux and just get used to TypeScript as well. I probably shouldn't do that yet. No. I don't even know what I'm doing with the base of Vue, let alone installing Nux. So, probably that would be the easiest. You know what I mean? Because I think I'm just trying to split it up way too much. And I think it's getting complicating. You know what I mean? He needs grasp concepts of Vue first. Yes! Agreed. Alright. Let's do that, folks. I think that's the problem. I'm trying to go a little too overboard with the components here, and I think it's screwing me up. So let's just do this. We're going to take this data. I'm going to pull that out because I actually need that. We're going to delete this file because I don't need it. Okay. And we have our to-do list. Okay, so we're just going to put our data right in here. Okay. So we got import. We're going to get rid of that bullshit. We don't need that. Okay, cool. Alright, and then we're going to go name setup. Alright, and then in here, bam, there we go. Okay, so we got new to-dos, and then return new to-dos, to-do list. Okay, so if I go over here now and we refresh, it's sort of broken. Cannot read properties of undefined reading props. Okay, so we don't have props. Name to-do list, or do we? Let's see, there's our form, there's our app to-do list right there. So there's our actual list item. Let's see. They should be in a reference. What do you mean? You mean, oh, wait a minute. Save. There we go. Ah, hey, there we go. That's a good sign. Oh, look. We got some data. Okay. There we go. We're getting there. You got this. Remember to slow down, to scroll chat. Yeah, sometimes you had. Let's see. I'm now Windows free home. All the data you want to bind to the UI should be reference, name, to do, etc. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, right. So that would probably crap, maybe not. I have Xbox One, which is would that be here, you mean? The new to do should be a right. You're right. Gotcha. Okay. So we need to import that though, right? That's a import reference. No, not reference here. Ref. How do you do that? I gotta figure this out. Let's see. How to reference in Vue 3. Not 34. That's not even a thing. Template refs. Here we go. Ref is input. Ref on mounted. Oh God, what's that mean? Const on mounted. Which one do you think we'll need? I think it's just ref, isn't it? Ref from Vue. Save. I think this needs to be in the. I think it needs to be in here, right? There we go. Okay, import. Or does it not like that? Ref is clear, but value is never used. Am I putting that in the right spot, or should I just be above here? Or does it need to be on the... Oh, it needs to be on the outside. There we go. There we go. Okay, cool. We're good. All right. Ref computed from Vue. Okay, so ref computed, save. Okay, perfect. And then what we need to do is go new to-dos equal... And then we're referencing it, right? Like this. Save, I think. Or does it go after the equals? I cannot remember. No, don't do that. I think it's, isn't it like right here? Ref. Default to do should be the reference. User to do. Okay, see you. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Well, I'm referencing two of them. Oh, because they're being altered. Right. Okay, okay. I see what you're saying. Sorry, I was a little confused there. I was like, what do you mean? But is it let ref? I don't know where to put the reference. Hold on, let me take a look. New list equals. Oh, the code goes in there. Oh, okay, that's why. Hold on, ref. Oh, ref is a function. Well, that would explain that, wouldn't it? Alright, there we go. Function. Ref. Looking good? Yes. Okay, perfect. Save. Okay, there we go. Same with this right here. Ref. And then we're doing that. And then we're wrapping it and bam. No, don't delete that file. I've been working hard on this. Okay, there we go. I got them referenced. Awesome. We're gonna make it, folks. Oh, hold on, guys. Is there a way to do this? Okay, sorry. Now let's do the computed one way or another. You got this. I got it. Wait, I thought we... Hold on. Oh, right, computed. How do you do computed, though? Hold on. Computed. Computer properties. Let's see. Reactive. Wouldn't it be... Wait a minute. Wouldn't we want reactive and not reference? Because it says, it's recommended to use a computer property. Computed equals to-dos dot length, etc. Okay. Computed equals... Computed. To-dos. Would it be dot value? I don't think so. Computer. Hold on. There we go. Okay. We're getting there. I feel like we're getting there. There's our and const instead of let. Let's get. All right. So let's see. We need to grab the active. Where's the data for this though? Prototype. So User to dos dot length is 0. Default to do. Oop. Let me see if I can get anything from that really quickly. Reference. Okay, so it's grabbing the reference. So is dot value? No. Oh, there's value. Object. Target. Ah, there it is, right there. Is it dot value dot name? Undefined. Okay, so that's not it. Let's see here. Console log. Well, it's giving me the value, but that's still not the right value on the list. Yeah. Oh, do you think up? Do you mean up here? New. Save. Oh, it doesn't like that shit. Oh. I don't think that's the way to do it up there. I think we actually got to do that. No, it wouldn't be there. Where would we do it? We're storing the data. Wouldn't it be under user to do? Your 4 was right. Okay. If you want to do... Okay, hold on. No, it's still not liking that. Light user tool. Maybe the list is empty. Well, if the list is empty, then the... Oh, well, when I want to do dot value 0 dot name as well. Undefined. Okay, so it's not able to grab that. I think it's grabbing from the default to-dos. That's what I think. Hold on. Give me a second. User to-dos.value. Wait a minute. I'm sorry. I'm so confused. Just return in console log new to-dos.value. Okay, there we go, right there. So it is doing what it's supposed to do. Okay, we might not need that anymore. Save. Let me get rid of it. No, we do need that. Okay, so we do need that on there. Okay, perfect. So, that worked. New to-dos.value. Okay, so I'll just take that and put that here. In the return, right? Okay. So, new to-dos dot name. Save. Why am I not understanding this? I don't get what I'm not understanding. I just don't get it. What am I not processing in my little brain? See, it's just not rendering out. Oh. Up here should be .name, right? No, it's not up there. Oh my god, why do I keep doing that? It's gonna be this right here. Jesus. Oh my goodness. Just return new to-dos. Return default. Wait a minute, hold on. Sorry. I'm sorry, Matt. I'm getting confused here. Why would I be returning the default to-dos if my new to-dos... That doesn't make sense. Oh, you mean on here. I'm sorry. Okay. I misunderstood. My apologies. Okay. I think I get it. I think we're good. User.todos.length 0 is greater. Hold on. I feel like I did this a lot differently last time. Okay. Oh yeah, we're gonna need to do the same thing for that as well, right? Let's see here. User todos.value, right. Save. Okay, there we go. Still not working. Let's see, should not start with... I feel like I'm definitely not doing this right. Oh, hold on. You're missing the dot value. There is no ID? There isn't? I thought there was. Oh, wouldn't it be... Okay. I'll just get rid of the key for right now. Alrighty. Oh my goodness. Why do I not know how to code? Why? I don't get it, man. Or whoever's watching. I don't understand. I cannot code at all. It sucks. I don't know what is wrong with me. I just cannot code. I don't know what's going on. Code. I don't... Oops. I'm doing something wrong. I don't know what it is. Dude, I don't know. I've tried like every language out there and I just cannot grasp coding. I don't know. Like, it just boggles my mind. Why can't I get this stuff down? I just don't know what I'm doing wrong. I just don't get it. You know what I mean? Like, what am I doing wrong? Or maybe, I don't know. Like, I really don't even understand the reference thing. You know what I mean? Well, what's weird is I did it earlier in one file, and it worked fine. You know? That's the weird part. You know what I mean? Well, to be fair, I did follow a tutorial, so that's probably why it worked. Oh my goodness, the pain is what will make you remember in the end. Yeah, it's true. I just don't know what I'm just doing something wrong. I don't know what it is. I don't understand the referencing. I think that's a problem. Actually, that probably is a major problem. So when it changes, it will push the changes to UI. Gotcha. But I think why do we have to reference the actual to-dos though? Because we're not actually gonna do anything with those. So does it make sense to reference the old to-dos or the original? Because they're never gonna change. You know what I mean? The only thing that ever changed, well, I guess no, yeah. The only thing that will ever change is the user to-dos and the new to-dos. But I don't, maybe I'm not understanding why you know what I mean? Like, we're not actually ever going to alter that data. You know what I mean? It'll forever be to-do and false. Yeah, you may not need to. Yeah, I mean, it's probably not hurting being there, but I just don't think we really need it. You know what I mean? Hey, how's it going, Kitty Sushi? It's going. I don't know how it's going today, but it's going. But I'll be right back, guys. Give me just a second. I'm glad I'm not the only one that says howdy when I come to someone's stream, by the way. Oh, thank you for the follow, Kitty. I appreciate it. Yeah, I'm glad because I always feel like, am I the only one that says howdy? Because I never see it, so. But I'll be right back, guys. We're going to figure this out. I'm on a mission. What's that sound? Is that coming from this? Hold on. I'll be right back. I gotta go check on something. There's like this weird stuff. And now it's gone. Huh. That was weird. I have said howdy for months now, just a norm for me. Okay, good. I'm glad I'm not the only one. I'll be right back. We're gonna try to figure this out, folks. Alright, be right back. Alright, I'm back. Sort of. I mean, yeah, I'm back. What do you, wait, why would I say sort of? Of course I'm back. What's that even mean? Yeah, I'm back, sort of. I'm sort of half here. Yeah, that's exactly what I probably meant. Oh my goodness. Anyways, how's your night going? What do you code? Or do you do coding? Oh man. I am definitely. You're sort of dead. No, I wouldn't say. No, I meant physically and mentally. That's kind of what I meant. It's like I'm physically here. Yeah, there we go. That's what I was trying to say. Physically, I'm here. Mentally, I'm probably halfway gone. Let's just be honest. All right, I don't think I need the reference for this, so I'm gonna remove this part and get rid of that. This, save. Okay, cool. And then that means We don't need value. We just need name. Actually, we probably do need the value of that. Okay, cool. So that's done. You know what? And let's actually just make sure it's working. So I'm going to console log that. Console.log. Default to do save. All right. And there it is. Okay, perfect. Beautiful. So we are getting that data. So what I need to do here is, this looks good, but we're still running into issues with the, what am I listening to? Oh my. Skip. All right, there we go. My night is going good. I do websites and start game dev. Oh, cool. Nice. What engine are you working in? You doing Unreal or Unity? Or Godot? Or Crytek? Or, well, that's all. No way! No fucking way! You're really doing the Cry engine? That's so cool. I was just joking about the Cry engine. That is so awesome. Do you stream that? Dude, Cry engine? That is awesome. I did not expect that. I'm not gonna lie. Wait, do you stream this? Please tell me you stream the Cry engine. That's funny. No, that's awesome. Oh, you don't. Oh, you don't stream it? I don't. My PC. Ah, you totally should. Oh man, I hope you get a streaming PC soon. I could record it, honestly. You could. That would be cool. You should do like tutorials. Cause no, I don't think any. I don't even know if anyone does tutorial for the Cry engine. Like usually when you're doing like game development, right? You usually see Unity tutorials, Unreal tutorials, and Godot. I don't think well, I'm sure they're out there. Maybe I just haven't really looked for them. What got you interested in the Cry engine? No, they don't. It's not a popular engine. Right, which is crazy because that engine was like insane. Well, for its time, it was insane. Remember back in the day? Dude, Crysis had such a great, it was such a great game. And what else is made with the Cry engine? Wasn't, oh, what's that game called? Shit. Drawing a blank. Well, my PC can't run Unreal, so CryEngine was good for me, and it does what Unreal does. Okay, nice. Well, I hope you get a upgraded PC soon, because I don't know if you've been seeing what's going on with Unreal Engine 5. That thing is nuts right now. It looks just like real life. It's getting insane. There's this really cool game. Hey, thank you for the follow, Kitty. Appreciate it. Far Cry. There we go. Thank you. Far Cry. That's what I was trying to think of. Dude, Far Cry for its time was insane. I remember the AI, or the bot, well, there was an AI, but the bots in that game, you could literally, there was this plane, I remember, that would fly above you, and if you didn't hide in the bush, or the people that would walk by, if you didn't hide in a bush, it would see you. And I was like, that's so cool. Like, literally, you could hide in a bush while people walked next to you and they wouldn't see you. But if you moved, they would see you. So I always thought the CryEngine was pretty cool. But that's pretty awesome. I downloaded it once, tried it, and had no clue what I was doing, so I just uninstalled it. But it's like Hitman. Really? That's pretty cool. Yeah, Hitman. I don't think I've actually ever played number 1. Is that the one with the Ferris wheel, dude? Owner? I think. Maybe I played the demo of Hitman, too. Or Hitman. That's what it was, yeah. Hitman lets you hide in the bushes. Right, exactly. That's so cool, though. That's awesome. Well, keep up the good work. Seriously. But you should, if you ever do get a chance to do tutorials, I think a lot of people would watch those on YouTube. Let's see here. I'm not sure, honestly. It's been so long since I played. Yeah, for real. Oh, is this your guest? Oh, sorry, Keith. That's you. Import default list. Oh, sorry. Const. Length is greater than 0. Computed. Right, we got that. User.list. Okay, user to-dos dot value. Yeah, got that. Colon default to do default list. Okay. And then, so do we not need to do a return on that then? New to-dos. I'm 35. I am, yeah. Do I not look it? I mean, if I don't, that's cool. Actually, I get that a lot, yeah. You look like you're 25. Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. No, I get that a lot. I do. Yeah. I don't know why, but and I'm not complaining, don't get me wrong. But yeah, I get that a lot, trust me. I was at the gym the other day and someone's like, "Yeah, man, you know, getting fresh going into college, you know, we got our whole lives ahead of us." And he's looking at me, talking to me, and I'm like, "How old do you think I am?" And he goes, "Aren't you in your like early 20s?" And I go, yeah, like 10, 15, 16 years ago. Or no, like 10 years ago, I was in my early 20s. I go, "I'm 35." And he goes, "No way." And I go, "Dude, guys, I'll be 36 in like a week. Or 18. Yeah, right? Where's the calendar? How the hell do you use a calendar? Hold on, give me a second. When's my birthday? Well, I mean, I know my birthday, but how long is it? I will be 36 in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 days. I'll be 36 in 12 days. That's cool. No, it's not. That's not cool. What the? Where did time go? Damn it, man. Shouldn't I have a 401k and be ready to retire? Siri, when's my birthday? Sorry, I can't find that information, right? No! Not ads. Ugh. I'll wait. Alright, hold on, guys. I had a message I had to respond to. That's sick. Sapphires. Sorry, guys, give me a minute. All right, sorry about that. So at the moment, while we wait for ads, I'll kindly share what I was working on today. I'm trying to make my portfolio better and finish up my website game. Okay, cool, nice. But I'm struggling with using SQLite. Yeah, I understand that one. To even start on saving data, connecting my project. I don't personally know SQLite. But MySQL is pretty good. You could also look into NoSQL, which I don't know that either. I know MySQL the best. What are you building your website? Although it depends on where you're putting your website. Like if it's GitHub, then you're probably gonna need to use SQLite. Keith, yeah, Keith, help Kitty out. There, Keith and Kitty help each other out. There you go, KK. There we go. It was meant to be. If you want. If you could help her out, that'd be cool. Let's see. So we should be okay. Let me look at that guest that you sent over. So, what's it? Okay, so if yours worked, why is mine not working? You're not. Are you even referencing? Oh, you are. Okay. Let's see. User list dot value. Okay, well, maybe we could do that. Let's do some changes here. Let's see. Default to-dos. I'm okay with that. Okay, we could call it default list. That's fine. Default list equals, okay. And then user list. User list. Save. Okay. And then we're saying user list dot length. Okay. And then this would just be to-dos, right? There we go. Okay. But you're not doing a return, right? So, to-do and to-dos. Save. Okay. Alright, well, we got quite a bit of errors. Property to-dos was accessed during render, but is not defined on instance. Notice the tag. It is a script setup. Yeah. Is this just like a different way of doing the setup, though? Like this. Oh, I don't know. I don't think it likes that. Yeah, I don't think it likes that. It's not very happy that we did that. I don't think we can do that. I know, right? There. We'll take care of that. Yes, you can. Okay. But is it because I have a setup in there already? Maybe that's what it is. Could be. Oh. Well, wait a minute. Reference, default. Oh. Yeah, see, it doesn't like these. Kill the export. Oh, we don't need the export. But how are we going to export the... How are we going to do that? Is there a different way to do the export? Or... Okay. It's all magic. Oh, magic! What? Save. What's this magic thing you speak of? Oh, I broke some shit. There we go. Okay, there we go. Alright, how's this? Good? Alright, well, we don't got any errors, but we don't got any data either, so I think we're sort of getting there. And here it comes. Alright, perfect. Let's see. Metrics, how's it going? Hola, mi Quito, como yo tetos. Don't know what I'm saying, sup? I don't know what you're saying either. Alright, so let's see. Los tacos son un gran comida. The tacos, I know that much. Son is and, I think, right? The tacos and a big comida? I don't know what a comida is. The tacos and a big comida? Is that drink? Comida? At least I can sort of translate what you said. Los tacos son un gran comida. I hope to God it means drink because I've been just saying it repeatedly over and over. Comida. Oh, thank God. No, it's a bowl, I think. What is the meaning of comida? Food. Oh, made in a particular way. Okay, good. Oh, thank God. I was getting a little worried because I didn't know what the comida meant, and I'm sitting here blasting it up like, yeah, comida. It could mean so many things, so I'm glad it meant lots of food. Street tacos. Oh, I know. I haven't had a street taco in forever. Oh, man. Speaking of food, I'm hungry. I gotta figure out what I'm having tonight for food. I am gonna have to stop the stream here at some point and go get food. Because last time I forgot to, and I got to the store very late and they were cleaning up. And I was like, no! I should really start working on SQL 3 before I give up for the night because I'm too lazy. I don't know anything about SQLite. That's the problem. I can barely function Vue. Get it? Because function. Never mind. Sorry. Wait, did yours work? Who sent me this code? Keith, did your code work? The one you sent me? Because mine's not working. Yep. Vue is weird. It worked fine. How come mine's not working? No, it's not the code that's the problem, Kitty. It's the user, the developer. The code works fine. It's the developer coding. Put to-dos at the top of the HTML in the template. Oh, am I not wrapping the thing correctly? Oh, you know what? I think you're right. Wait, what do you mean? Put Vue is only weird because it's not convoluted like React. Yeah, put to-dos at the top of the HTML of the template. Do you mean wrap these into to-dos? Save. I don't think you do that. Maybe it's once. There we go. Let me try that. Oh, this... No. See, I don't know what you mean. I apologize. I want to know what you mean, but I don't. Just like a debug print count at the imagery level to 21. Yeah, adding to-dos at the top of the template on its own line. Above the UI. Oh. Gotcha. Like that? Okay. But it's definitely not rendering anything. Can I just console log this? Oh, there we go. There it is. Oh, it doesn't like that. I think it's what they meant. Okay, let's go to app.view. Okay. There's my to-do list. Hold on. Hey Carzy, how's it going? Just put hello in the to-do list. Where is it? I feel like this is so much complicated than it should be. Let's see. Oh, I see what you mean. See if it renders. Gotcha. I don't... Oh, well, there it is right there. Alright, so that's good. So we just got to figure out this one thing. And so I think it's just we're not able to pull that value. I think that's the problem. I can get behind this song. I think it's... No, don't do that. I think... Wouldn't it be dot value here, though? Or if I could spell value? Wouldn't it be dot value? Wouldn't it be... I don't know what it would be anymore. I knew I should have stuck with Python. Oh my god, only in the JavaScript, right? Oh my god, man. Oh god, I can't code. Alright. I probably need to, you know what I probably honestly needed to do? I probably should have just kept watching those tutorial videos on Vue, because I think I don't know what I'm doing when it comes to Vue. I think I sort of get it, and I think I'm getting there, but I probably should spend a little bit more time learning Vue more. I should have stuck with not coding. Aw. I relate. No, I don't know what it is. It's so weird. I'm so bad at coding. I can barely code HTML. Well, yeah, actually, that's kind of true. Well, no. Let me rephrase. HTML I got down good. It's a CSS that I got a problem with. Okay. Oh, well, I wouldn't say problem. I would say more of a skill thing. But, I don't know. I just don't get why I'm having so much trouble with Vue. Your default list isn't a ref. Wait, I thought it didn't need to be, though. Does it need to be? Oh, I might screw this up. Well, that would explain a lot. What, me screw something up? No, I can't imagine. Alright, how was that? That's good, right? Hey, you're right! I'm done. What the fuck? Oh my god. No, I'm sitting here going, I don't need the reference. No, remember? I was like, I don't need the reference on there. I was like, I don't need the reference. Because I was like, it's never going to change. Why would we need to put a reference on there? And everyone's like, well, no, you should probably have the reference on there. And I'm just like, yeah, because I totally know what I'm talking about. No, we don't. And I removed it. So because I removed it, we've been sitting here for a long time now, and nothing's been rendering. So had I not have removed it, we would have been golden like 20 minutes ago. Oh my god. You can take the ref off, but when you don't need, wait a minute, and don't need the dot value. So hold on, so I don't need the reference? Oh, it's the dot value that's causing a problem, right? Gotcha. Okay, alright, so I'm gonna take the reference off, but at least we know the reference works. Okay, so maybe I didn't have it all wrong all along. Maybe I had the right idea. Save. How about that? Oh, cool. Okay, so I wasn't completely wrong. I was just sort of wrong. But I'm probably always gonna be wrong. Okay, well, I get it. When you use reference, you can access the value using the dot value. Right, because you're referencing it. That makes sense. Okay, there we go. We did it, folks. Well, at least we got that part done. Whew. That was intense. Oh, man. It's crazy. Easy. Yeah, that only took 2 hours and 50 minutes. 2 hours and 50 minutes to make one little reference? Oh my goodness. On the bright side, you now using the script setup. Well, was the thing we were using before not the correct way to do it? Because I thought we were doing it correctly with the whole setup, the function thingy. Or was I doing it incorrectly? Oh, I might have been doing it incorrectly. Yeah. Whoops. To be fair, though, I was following a tutorial. It is, but it's convoluted, and so your Vue team made it easier with the script setup. Oh, I didn't know that. Okay. You know what it probably was? I was probably following a very old document You know what I mean? That's probably what it was. Yeah, imagine Vue 2's... Oh, okay, gotcha. So, quick question, because on the tutorial I followed, we used, this right here. Yeah, this was a tutorial that I followed. We didn't use reference. We ended up... Yes, we did. Never mind. Okay, I take back what I just said. Don't listen to what I just said. I thought we used something different, though. Never mind. I don't know what I'm talking about. We did use ref. So this is how they did it last time. Oh, yeah, there's a reference right up there. Yep. Const. There's the setup right here. Function, add to do. Okay, cool. So we did get that. Okay, perfect. Well, there we go. There, I'm glad we got that working. Thank you for your help. Because I would have not figured that out. I would have been sitting here like, oh boy, why doesn't it work? Oh, man. I'll tell you. Okay, cool. That was easy. Sort of. So, do you think when it comes to something like this, it's best to keep the data inside of the, whatchamacallit, another ad came up, didn't it? Yeah, let's see, compared to React. Wait, have I been in ad mode the entire time? Or, wait, there's no ad right now, right? Because I just saw something flicker on my dashboard, which looked like an ad. So I wasn't too sure. The best thing for data is using something like Pinia for the data store. See, I haven't learned that yet. Yeah. Yeah, you're probably right. I probably should do it. I probably should have kept going over that tutorial. But I was like, no, I don't need to do a tutorial. I don't need to learn. I can just jump right into a project and I'll be good to go. Because that's me. Alright, yeah. Pinia is what the Vue team recommended. Okay, let me take a look. The intuitive store. Type safe, extensible, and modular by design. Forget you're even using a store. Huh? Well, what's it do, though? Is it a add-on or something, or type safe, dev tool support, extremely light, state manager? Oh, okay, that makes sense. Yeah. Let's see here, but don't for now. Just store your data at the top level like a to-do list and pass the prop subcomponents. Gotcha. Okay, that makes sense. Cool. Alright, well, we will definitely look at that at some point. But I'm glad we finally figured out what was going on there. So it keeps the data reactive. That's right, reactive. That's what I was trying to think of, the word. Reactive. Yes. Well, I will say, so the cool thing about this compared to, like, React is if I was using React right now, I'd have to do import, use effect to update any of this data. So that's pretty cool. That we don't have to do that use effect thing, which I still sort of understand, but I don't. Yeah. Yeah. We're getting there. We're figuring it out. I will say though, the the composition API is much better than the options API. Because with the options API, we would have been like Oh my god, we would have had to have a list of shit made. And then we would have gone back and forth and past, you know what I mean? So I think the composition UI is so much better. So much better. Okay, so. Give me a second. I need to figure out what we're doing. I think we are going to. Sorry, let me turn that down a little bit. I need to eat. I need to get food. I haven't ate yet. I didn't eat all day. I just had an apple, so I definitely need to get some food. And the script setup gets rid of a lot of the crap. Yeah, like like we just looked at, because before we had what script, function, and then yeah, so we don't need to do that anymore, which is good. Then you can put auto imports onto your project, and then you don't need to import Vue stuff for component. Really? Okay, see, that's pretty cool too. We'll have to learn that. That's pretty cool. So, all right, well, guys, tell you what. Let me stop here because I gotta run to the store. Because if I don't, I'm gonna miss out on my sandwich again, and I'm gonna be very sad. Because last time I got there, they were literally just cleaning up, and because I went like 30 minutes before closing, I was like, no. So yeah, I'm gonna stop here, go grab some food, come back home, eat it, and I am gonna go live. I might hold off on the coding stuff until tomorrow because I'm not doing anything tomorrow at all during the day, so it might be a good time to jump on and do some coding. I think I'm gonna play Diablo tonight, maybe. I ended up playing Portal 2 last night. I sat through all 5 hours of that game. Dude, I pushed through it. I was like, oh yeah, Portal 2, that's not a very long game. And then it was a very long game. Like, it was like 3:30 in the morning. My eyes were bloodshot red. And I was just like, I want this to be over now. Because I was almost done with the game, so I didn't want to stop. Yeah, it was, my total stream was like 5 hours and something like that. But you love Portal 2? Portal 2 is such a fun game. But I was really tired. I wanted to go to bed. And then I ended up buying a game from Steam that I really didn't care for. Do you guys think it'd be worth getting Cyberpunk? Have you guys heard good things about the patches? Is it worth buying now? Because it's on sale. But I don't know if I would like it. I don't know. What do you guys think? Or is there anything good out? But I should finish Diablo 3. I did pay. Or Diablo 4. I did pay for it. So I should probably actually play it. And it's a really fun game. I think a lot of people like it. So I think that's what we'll probably end up doing tonight, though. And then tomorrow, I'm trying to think because I think the problem I'm going to run into tomorrow if I try to jump back into this project is I don't understand Vue enough yet. I don't know. Maybe I should keep going with the tutorial stuff because if I can't rely on, you know what I mean? I can't hope tomorrow someone shows up. I'm sure you guys will show up, but like what if no one does? You know what I mean? Cuz I need to update well, I guess updating is not that hard. So once we pull it, all we got to do is do a split. That should be pretty easy. So we go split and then we take the ID we take the array position and then we tell it what position we want to cut from that array and that makes the new array. Right. Maybe it won't be as bad as I think. I haven't played, but I've heard good things from anyone I know that's played. Dude, it's so good. It's so good. I've never played a Diablo game my entire life and I bought it. I was like, all right, well, everyone keeps talking about it. I'll give it a try, right? It's really good. I like it. It's fun, especially when you have people to play with. But even if you're soloing it, it's actually pretty fun. But I would highly suggest it. Definitely would highly suggest it. So, but all right, guys, tell you what, I'm gonna jump off here for now, but I will be back in like an hour or so. I think I'm just gonna do some gaming, and then tomorrow I can spend all day coding, which will be fun. So, yeah, I'll probably get up like early in the morning. Or, well, it depends on what time I go to bed. But I'll be on probably all day tomorrow coding. And then tomorrow, we're going to get this down. Because I want to actually get into the next step of Vue, which is Nux, I think. No, wait. It's not Nux. I think it's Vite. I think, right? What would you guys use? Would you use Vite or would you just go right into Nux? What do you think? For those who code, you know what I mean? for those who actually code with I use Vite mostly, or Vite, sorry, Vite. It's French, dude. It means fast. But Nux is okay. Well, I've used Vite for React, so I'm probably down to try Vite out with this. Yeah, there we go. And I still need to learn routing. I haven't learned routing yet. I need to learn a lot of things, I think, before I jump into projects, because but I think the good thing about Vue is I kind of get it a little bit better than React, I think. I think there's just some things I haven't learned yet that I definitely need to learn. And then I think once I get the state management stuff down, we're good to go. Like routing, state management. Nux gives you a good setup with lots of defaults and a nice way to manage your project. Yeah. So we could even do that. We could just start off with Vite first and then kind of, you know what I mean? And then once we could take, what I like to do is take a project, build it out in Vite, and then try it with Nux. You know what I mean? And kind of see what the differences are. I think that would be kind of cool too. And then based on those two, it's like, oh, well, which one did I have better success with? Or what helped with my project? You know what I mean? So, anyways, guys, I'm going to jump, but I will be back on in about an hour. So, follow all my socials, and I am I'm also on Kick, I'm on Rum, I'm on as many things now. Literally, guys, I'm trying to get out there as much as possible now. So I'm on pretty much, I'm on as many platforms as I can be. So YouTube, I actually put a short out for the first time today. You know what's crazy? That short got so many views. I was surprised to see that. I like popped up on the studio dashboard and I saw the views on that short and I was like, how? I just uploaded it. So yeah, views, it's crazy. So yeah, I want to start doing content for YouTube. I just got to figure out what to put on there. I got an idea of what I want to put on there. I just got to get it all edited. First I got to record it, but yeah, so then I'm taking that and I'm sending it to Rumble as well because there's a few other platforms that I got to sign up for as well. But I'm just trying to get out there a little bit more, I'm also on Kick, so, yeah, if you want to follow me over on Kick, I'd appreciate it. Trying to get that channel grown as well. But yeah, I'm live streaming everywhere, guys, and I appreciate it. So yeah, like I said, I have a link tree. Actually, yeah, that's the best thing to go to. There's a link tree link right there. That shows you all my socials, the Discord, everything. Everything's right there listed. Just go click, 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 and then you can go follow, follow, follow. I would much appreciate it. All right, so, yeah. I'll be back and probably do a game stream. And then tomorrow, we're going to get back to this coding. Because I want to get this... I want to get this without having to watch a tutorial. You know what I mean? Because if I keep watching tutorials on how to do things, I'm not learning. I mean, I'm learning, don't get me wrong, but I'm not really learning. You know what I mean? I'm just following along. And that's fine and all, but it's not really going to stick, if that makes sense. But if I think about it and I'm like, okay, how is this going to work? And then I logically think it over and I take my time with it and then I code it and it works. That means I learned something. So, yeah, I think we'll definitely, yeah, we're good. So, alright, guys, like I said, give me about an hour, I should be back. Don't be afraid of the Vue docs. They're really good. Yeah, I know. I gotta get, well, see, you know what it is, Keith? I gotta get better at reading documentation. I think I actually... it's funny, I've always used this term, I gotta learn how to learn. You know what I mean? I know it sounds weird, but, like, I gotta do a better job at looking at documentation going, okay, I understand what they're showing me. Sometimes I'll look at documentation, I'm just like, what is that? And it scares the shit out of me. I'm like, well, I don't understand, But I'll get there. So, but guys, like I said, thank you all so much for hanging out with me tonight. I appreciate it. I hope to see you guys within the hour as well. But if not, I'll see you guys tomorrow. But yeah, thank you all for your help. I appreciate it. This was good. I'm glad we were able to solve it because I don't know where the hell I was going earlier with this. It was getting weird because there was like a component that just held data, but it kind of made no sense. You know what I mean? So this makes a lot more sense that the data's there. And in fact, we could probably even make this a little bit more simple. Yeah. Actually, we could, but I'm going to wait until tomorrow. So, all right, guys. Anyways, thank you guys so much for hanging out. I appreciate it. Seriously, guys, thank you so much for the follows as well. I really do appreciate it. And yeah, like I said, I'll be on in about an hour. So I gotta run. So, all right, guys, I will see you all in a little bit. See you soon. Bye bye.